Hi guys.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Watch the ice.
Meron kaming rescue mission ngayong umaga, ang aga-aga Saturday morning. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tiger Lily Adventurer. So, the time now is, what is the time, honey? What is the time? We don't know, but maybe it's just only like 5 a.m. So, merong accident na wait for a second. Oh, you have gloves here too. You have a lot of
Yeah, but they're rubber gloves.
you have a lot of
That's what I've been using.
water here. It's already icy.
And where's the gloves you got for me?
So, guys,
You got gloves right there for me?
yep. Yes, here. Okay, for the cold. So, ngayon guys, ang dami kong balot na kasi ayoko magkasakit. It's very hard. So, meron na rin akong gloves. So, guys, papunta na tayo sa accident ngayon. The accident is a car there. So, yung 911 tumawag at magre-rescue kami ng sasakyan. So, ang lamig talaga. Oh, did you bring your cell phone?
Yep.
Okay.
So I'll turn that. I got my hearing aids on, but I don't have
Did you bring your hearing aid? How about your hearing aid?
I'll get the line.
Okay,
Turn this
good,
thing on.
good.
I'll turn this on.
Okay, turn it on.
Remote.
You can put your cell phone here. Then I can.
I got my pocket.
Okay. I can hear if there's somebody pull you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not too far away, another mile.
Yeah. Okay.
Probably one of those deers we saw the other day.
Mm-hmm.
They're all over.
Oh yeah. So I want to see the deer if there is a antler, But only the problem, I don't have knife or
Saw.
so to cut the head. So I need to bring all the deer in the house. No, I want to get it, but only the problem, I don't have knife, I forgot.
It's a very messy job. Sometimes they run off and die off the field somewhere.
Oh yeah,
I got before.
I know, but I don't want to eat I don't want to eat the meat. Only I need the antlers. I forgot to bring the knife. I have a big knife there, but I forgot.
You need a saw to cut the antlers off, don't you?
No, not so. Just only knife. Chuk, like how you cut the pig, Just like that. That's not like a cow. That
I
very
think I
hard.
know how it works.
It's just like a pig. So, guys, ang accident ay dahilan ang usa or ang binaw. So, yun ang dami kasing deer dito. Hindi katulad dyan sa atin na
It's just up
pag may
here
mga kakita ng deer at talagang
on the corner.
kakatayin agad or talagang hindi tatantanan hanggang hindi mahuhuli. Dito bawal kasi. May seasons kasi dito. Over here?
Right up here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
767.
767. So do you know what is the number?
No, it's up here.
Did you ask what is the number?
No.
What? What is the number?
Corner of Sterling Park and 222. This is right here.
Ah yes, I saw the police already there.
If the car headed this way, you probably have to pull into Sterling Park and back up maybe.
Oh yeah. So I want to see where is the there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw the there. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. I saw the big there. Oh. So there, guys, ang laki ng ng usa o ang laki ng there. Ewan ko kung anong nangyari. Anong nangyari sa sasakyan. Kasi talagang sisirain yung sasakyan mo pag nabundol mo yung there. Still snowing, honey.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So I want to go down and see. Actually, I wear a lot of clothes. But even I wear 2 clothes, maybe it's good I wear 3 maybe. But next time, I want to make my own clothes, okay? So guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang nangyari. Yeah, oh, it's a female. Oh yeah, this is what happened for the ito yung nabundol, guys. Yan, nakita mo. Oh, yan. So, I want to show you the wow! Look at the deer. This is the big deer. Oh my gosh! It's a big. Wow! Oh, look! Oh my gosh! Look, ang laki talaga ng deer. So siguro mahigit ito na 80 kilos. Ang laki-laki talaga, oh. Oh my gosh. Ito yung deer. Ito ay isang ina. It's a doe.
Yeah. He's got a lot of antlers. He said he knows all about it.
Huh?
Talk to him if you want.
What's that?
Talk to the officer. He's got a lot of antlers.
Where? Here?
So he'll tell you. So you can talk to her or whatever.
Do you have antlers?
I have lots of
You want to buy them?
Oh yeah. Because in the Philippines we make like a medicine,
You'll ship them back over there?
No, only here. Sometimes I'm sick, So I have a friend. She I don't know how to do that. She do like this the antler, and she boiled me and she gave me only the water and I drank it, so I'm okay. I said, oh, maybe I need one time I saw that there is a big antlers. I told him I want to do it, but we don't have night to cut the head.
I have lots of them.
Oh yeah.
How many do you want?
Oh, just only one?
One? I'll give it to you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'll put it in my car, and the next time I see him, I'll give it to him.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, oh my gosh. Very slippery, guys. Nakakadulas ang ice ngayon. Muntik. Ayan, oh, kawawa. So, he's a lot. He's died already. Oh, it's a new one. Mainit pa, oh. Yeah. So, mainit. Oh, bago lang talaga. Kasi hindi naman ako kumakain ng bear na buto. Gusto ko yung natanggal yung buto. So, yun. Ang laki-laki. Pero maganda sana yung balat. Oh. Yes, I love that. to do this. Gusto ko yung balat niya, pero ang hirap kasi ililibing to eh. So, ano to si first? Oh, this is Subaru. Yung sasakyan. Oh my God. Honey. Honey, he said that he wants to give us an antler. He asking me how many antler I want. I told him that just only one. So guys, ito na. Hinilain na yung ano sasakyan. Ang laki talaga. Ayun, oh, nakita nyo yung bear nasa likod. Yun. Sinira niya to. Sinira niya yan.
back up.
Yan, sinira niya. Okay. Okay. So, baback up daw siya. I stay here, okay? Stop! Oh! Stop! Maganda ngayon na nagto dahil nga umaga, madaling araw. So just only 5 o'clock or just I don't know what time. I just wake up only at 9 oras. So, ito yung gagawin namin ngayon. Nagtulo ng sasakyan. So, sayang yung guys. Ang laki-laki guys. Yung ano, yung hair. Napakalaki talaga. Halos 100 kilos ata. Ito 200 pounds. Ang laki. Pero ang gusto ko lang kasi, ang antlers, yung sungay niya. Kasi, gamot nga daw yun. Yung kaibigan ko, binigyan niya ako ng ano, yung aywan ko ano ba yun, kiss niya, kagis niya, yung sungay. Tapos, yun, paano yung ginawa? Dapat ako yung sabi nila guys, ang ano, ewan ko saan ang pinadalhin. So, just like that. Okay. Yun ang nangyari sa sasakyan. Ang ganda-ganda ng sasakyan niya, Subaru.
lunch.
Yeah. So, what do you want? Kailangan niya yan tabihan, guys, para di siya lalaglag sa sasakyan. So, yeah, still snowing, guys. Sobrang lamig pa rin. Pero hindi gaano katulad kahapon. No? Mas malakas ang snow kahapon. Ngayon, parang ambon-ambon lang. Parang umaambon lang. So, may kunting snow. Kasi maaga pa talaga rin, guys. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tiger Lily Adventure there. And click the button also para ma-up the bell, para makita nyo lagi, ma-upload nyo lagi ang aking mga YouTube videos. So, sayang yung sasakyan ito. Siguro magamit ko yung maayos. Ang nasira lang naman yung pero actually wala naman kasi ako alam sa sasakyan. So, parang yung mata ng sasakyan gawa, tanggal talaga ang lakas niya. Tapos, yung mata niya, niluwa yung isang pa. Yung lang talaga. Lumang po siya. Pinangang hindi ako sila pag-drive pa kayo gabi at madaling araw kasi maraming here. Sayang. Guys, tapos na. Papasok na ako sa sasakyan kasi tapos na. Ayun, pauwi na kami, guys. So guys, nakarga na yung sasakyan sa likod. So pauwi na kami at tapos na. Ani, the sheriff said, do you know where his house?
No.
He said that if he wants to see you again, he wants to give you an angler. He wants to give you an angler. He asked me, angler.
Yeah.
So if he wants to see you again, so he wants to give you an angler. No. I did not ask his name. He said he has a lot of guns. So, but next time, I want to bring always a knife, yung itak. Magdala ko ng itak para kahit sa daan makakita ako ng anglers, talagang hihinto ako yun, puputulin ko kahit mabaho na yung ulo. Kasi yung pwede ko namang ipapakain yung sa or else babalatan ko na lang. Tapos lagyan ko lang ng Clorox para hindi mabaho kung mabaho na siya. Yun. Kasi maganda din yung pang-decoration. Yes, maybe look food or cut, so they want to grind it. I like the skin. I want the skin, but it's very long process, It's very long process to take the skin, but
Usually they're full of ticks.
guys, ang laki talaga ng anong tawag nito, there. So we need to bring the car in the house.
Yeah.
Okay. So dadalhin pala namin yung sasakyan doon sa impound lot sa bahay. Meron kami impound lot or mga sasakyan doon ng mga nahihila. So kukunin nyo ng insurance. So did the insurance pay? Did the insurance pay?
They will, yeah. When they come up, look at it. If she's got collision on it, she'll probably hurt us.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
There is the police report. And I see the there.
I got called there.
So where we eat on breakfast today? Did Gary told you?
Yeah, but I'm not going to put on there. Let me get your haircut.
Okay. So nag-snow pa rin ngayon dito, guys. It's ringing. Yeah, maybe he's still sleeping. So nag-snow pa rin, guys. Oh.
Those voicemail ones.
Ito yung cabbage house.
Derek, didn't mean to wake you up. Can you come out sometime this morning and bring your truck and make it park in the parking space out here by the road? I'm running out of space down there. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. All right, sorry about that. Okay, I got 4 of them in there now. Just got one car deer accident. Got 2 yesterday, and I got a Cadillac the other day too. So, okay, good. Thanks. Okay. I just got a car deer. I got a car on 81 that ran into a box truck, wiped out the driver's door practically, and I got a car on 13 by Lawrence Crossing over there that a motor club paid me to go tow it just down the road, pick it up, take it down the road a ways. When I get there, the girl had jumped a big snowbank with her car and then hit a pine tree. So the radiator, I think the engine is hanging out of the front end of it. So I ended up talking them into having me tow it to my place, with the idea that let her know that they weren't going to be take dirt on it. Besides that, I already got paid for towing it, and then now the rest of it's going to be add on for recovery. I had to pull it backwards. Money made. Well, yeah. When I get through paying my insurance, I won't have much. They wanted somebody $20,000 worth of garage keeper's liability that I got to have on top of my tow trucks. So it's not going to be a couple grand a month probably. Well, maybe, yeah, not quite that much. Okay, all right. Thanks, sir. Yeah, bye. I have a nice Mustang. key, but she wasn't paying much attention.
Mhm.
It makes it hard to unload them sometimes. But I can get right between this one and the Mustang. This is the hardest part, getting these off the truck.
It's done? It's done?
It's the hardest part, getting them off the truck, but the truck is slippery, they might slide right off.
Oh yeah,
See,
okay.
I got two over there, two over here. It's 4 cars.
Yeah.
That's $300 a day.
Mhm.
If I can get it all, they never know the.
Guys, look at oh. Tingnan mo. Sobrang heavy snow. Talaga, akala ko kanina ambon-ambon lang yun eh. Kaninang umaga. Oh, tingnan nyo, nakita nyo yan? Oh, sobra talaga. Hindi nga ako Ngayon ko lang nakita, this is the first time I saw nga ganito ka heavy snow talaga. Hindi mo makikita ang sasakyan sa kalsada. So, okay guys. See you later.